It's leaking out here, which is the thermostat, and the coolant level keeps dropping after maybe 20 miles. First thing is to remove this airbox panel. It's just one bolt that holds it on. And this is a T20. I'll just give it a bit more access. Okay, now this air vent is off and the coolant cap is off. It's time to take this plug off. You just need like a pick that will hook around the bottom of it, because there's like a plastic tab on it. So something like this should do it. And just hook it around the back of it and it should just pull off. Yeah. So now I just pull this clip up. Just like that. Goes on just like that. And this should just wiggle off. I've already put a bucket underneath where I'm working, because as soon as I pull this large hose off, all the coolant's gonna drain out onto the floor. Back to the E10, and should be able to take this off. Look at that. You can see why that snaps. I bought a new pack of them. These are M6, 25mm long. And there were 10 of them for £3, so it's not worth taking the risk. So the old one is actually alright. It's just that seal has failed. I'm not sure where. I think it's here. It's gone a bit flat. I've cleaned the surface. That's one. Okay, so this clip can go back on. Makes a click. Got to put this hose back on. Remove this cable tie. Make sure that's clean. Oh, yeah. So that's clicked back on. That hose is a little brittle, to be honest. And then this clip goes on there. So now everything is back together. It's time to unscrew this plug here. It's quite simple. Remember, it's plastic. You can see the little plug. If I blow that, it is moving with the air pressure. So by squeezing this hose, it's basically squeezing coolant into the radiator, and air will rise to the top of the coolant and be able to escape now because the plug has been removed from the top of the radiator. And also, as I squeeze the coolant bottle hose, there's like a return loop where excess coolant will return back into the bottle, and that will help remove the air as well. I better fill that back up. That should be about halfway. So by testing the heaters when you take it on a test drive, put them on max, just to check there's hot air coming through them. And that should be able to test whether you have an airlock inside the heater matrix, which is like behind the radio. It's like an aluminium block behind the radio, and it uses the hot coolant to provide heat to your heaters in the winter.